Mitsubishi Montero installed Optimus brand Android head unit. 6128 10 inches 2K screen resolution. In-integrate natin yung stock 360 ng Montero. Ayan yung front camera. Then yung side camera niya, ito. Side mirror. So, ayan. Optimus brand Android head unit, 10 inches 2K screen resolution, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Stock 360 camera, in-integrate natin. Try natin yung control ng viewing ng 360 niya sa steering control. Front view, right side, then yung reverse. Ayan. So yung ating Android head unit, meron siyang split screen. Try natin, open muna natin si YouTube and Waze. Ayan. Working din yung kanyang steering controls. Try natin. Volume control. Next track. Previous track. Working. Meron din siyang online voice command under the Google Assistant. Connected sa ating steering control sa voice. Try natin. I want to go SM Grand Central. Siya na yung kukuha ng route papuntang SM Grand Central through Google Maps.
SM City Grand Central Mall, NCR.
Then, pwede rin siya gamitin sa ibang application tulad ng YouTube or basta under the Google application. Try natin. Play James Blunt on YouTube. So, siya na yung kukuha ng playlist ni James Blunt through YouTube. So, ayan. Optimus brand Android head unit, 6128 10 inches Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Yun lang. Thank you.